Let's make some cheesy quesadillas, perfect for a breakfast, a quick lunch, dinner, you name it. And the best part, they only take 5 minutes to make, and I'm sure you have the ingredients at home. So let's get to it. For the cheese, I'm using parmesan for that nutty flavor, sharp cheddar for flavor and melt, and of course mozzarella because what is a quesadilla without that stretchy pull? But honestly, use whatever cheese you have at home. This just happens to be my favorite combo. Start by grating your cheeses, and here's a quick tip: place your grater on a clean kitchen towel so it doesn't slide around. I like to grate in long strips, they melt beautifully. And keep your fingers away from the grater, trust me, that scrape hurts. Now set your cheese aside. For the veggies, I'm using red, green, and yellow bell peppers, just a quarter of each. Green has that slightly sharp bite, while red and yellow are sweeter, so together they balance out nicely. Slice them into thin strips, then chop into tiny cubes. The smaller the better. When you're done, set them aside. In quesadillas, tortillas, or any kind of filling, I usually like to cut my pieces into like small cubes. I think that way it is easier to eat them. You can toss in some fresh greens like arugula or some herbs like oregano or thyme for extra flavor. In my recipes, I like to give some ideas along the way so you can adjust the recipe to your taste. Now grab a tortilla, I'm using medium size, and place a mix of cheese on top. Then add your chopped bell peppers. And lastly, I'll cut half a tomato into small cubes as well and place them on top. Fold your quesadilla and in a hot pan, drizzle just a teaspoon of olive oil, a teeny tiny bit of olive oil. Then cook the quesadilla until the cheese melts inside and the tortilla turns golden and crispy. Slice it up. I like to cut it that way like a quesadilla, and that is it. So simple, so delicious, and ready in just a few minutes. If you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a like, drop a comment with your favorite cheese combo, and subscribe to Meals by Mary so I can keep bringing you easy, tasty recipes you will actually make. Thank you for watching Meals by Mary, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!